Welcome to Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa of Disney Vacation Club Resort. We are staying in a remodeled deluxe studio this time. These were done last year, all these Congress Park building rooms. So there's a mirror here near the entrance, a coat rack, somewhat thematic. And there's the lock-off door. All right, here is our kitchenette. There you go. Pretty standard. Cabinets, we have pre-wrapped. Unlike the two-bedroom, all of our stuff is pre-wrapped. We have a GE microwave, ice bucket, excuse me. It's shaped like a box. Yeah. Mr. Coffee maker, toaster. Yeah, the appliances aren't as nice as the two-bedroom even. So we have what is this, a Danby's designer mini fridge. Actually not that small, it's good size. Some storage under there and the fire extinguisher. We have, I'm gonna fix that. It's bothering me. I guess, oh, we have to line it up. It's one of those. There we go. We have a little sink. And then if we turn to the vanity, I'm not sure what's very Saratoga Springs about this, but it's nice. Hair dryer. Another drawer on this side. Amenities. Tissues. We have the makeup mirror with the light. Here is our closet, which has a vacuum. It goes pretty far back in there. Ironing board and iron, hangers and a rack. We have our safe and our extra bedding. All right, let's look at the bathroom. Yeah, so this looks the same as in the two-bedroom. The second bedroom bath is identical. So we have our toilet, garbage can, towel racks, and then our tub and shower. Which has the removable and the stationary shower heads. Kohler tub. The amenities mounted on the wall, the conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Yeah, I like the tile. It's one of the nicer showers for a smaller room on property. And then we go into, I hit my arm on the wall, we go into the bedroom. So if you watch the two-bedroom, you know I like the two-bedroom a lot. I will tell you, I am not a big fan of the way they piece together this room. It has the most nonsensical of the curtains, I think. That weird pattern. I love this headboard. I like this one spot over here above this bed. I really like. I like the art. I like the headboard. It feels like I'm at the resort I'm at. And then, I don't know, this mirror is probably the worst offender in the room. I don't know what this, I don't like that it's across from the bed. I don't really want to stare at a mirror. It's also not thematic at all. Looks like something I'd see at like Coronado Springs. I don't know. This is cute though. And I'm sure we have some storage under here. Yeah, we have two drawers under here. Yeah, so we've seen this piece before in the 2-bedroom. This is the dresser. And on the sides of the dresser, we have 2 standard and 2 USB outlets. It should be on both sides. Yep, sure is. Not on the top for some reason, but it doesn't really matter. We have a much smaller version of this guy. We'll open that in a few moments. But here's the dresser. I accidentally popped a drawer open. Yeah, nice big dresser, 6 drawers, plenty of room. And don't forget you have storage space under the bed. The big closet. I think you have more than enough space. And if you really need it, there are the tiny drawers. On each of these, there's 2 of them. I like these lamps with the 2 USB and the 2 standard. And you have 1 on each side. More than enough outlets for everyone in the room, which is good because if someone sleeps on this, they can use that set. And those of you using the bed, if you want to plug your phone in, could use the one over there. It's good that there's 2 sets of them. There also looks to be another standard outlet reachable between the bed and that. Yeah, our room phone is there. Climate control over here. We do have this guy, which I love. I don't know, it's hard to open these with one hand, but I'm gonna try. There we go. So yeah, you could store a couple things in here if you wanted, but the best feature is if you want to sit and eat and watch the TV, and you're taller, the table comes up to you, which is great. I love this. Every room should have this. Every room on property should have this. I'm not gonna be able to close it with one hand though. Maybe if I stand here. Oh, it's hard to close. Very hard. There we go. All right. But now we gotta move this guy out of the way, so we can open this guy. I don't know if I still got it moved out of the way enough. Just a little more. All right. Okay, so there's our sofa. And you know this is gonna pull down. Oh, that's great. There's different art. How cute. I don't know. Oh, I can't pull this down the rest of the way. It's getting stuck on me. There we go. All right. This bed feels low. But yeah, look at this art. This is great. Very cute. Mother horse and baby at the Saratoga Spring Stables with the hidden Mickey rope. I appreciate that, you know, honestly, like I love the existing Disney characters, although I'm sure someone's going to be like, oh, those are from blah, blah, blah short. But no, this is cute. I like when they do stuff like this without, you know, I don't need the main characters. They're clearly like Disney style animated characters. Very cute. Here's our bed. Yeah. All right. So that's this room. I mean, with that down, it's a little more thematic, I think. Otherwise, the 2 bedrooms just has more art, and there's more furniture with like the leather strap aesthetic. So it does make the hotel feel unique. I think everything outside of this, so what you're looking at now, I think is thematic and feels right. And then the rest of the room just kind of feels real plain. But I like what's going on over here. By the way, this fan and light up here are controlled via these middle switches, which you can turn down the intensity of that light if you want to shut it off or turn it on. You just hit that. You can turn the intensity back up. Same with the fan, we can turn that intensity up. Very modern fan, doesn't necessarily fit the room, but I often feel like that's high enough where it doesn't really impede on the vibe of the room. But yeah, let's look at the patio. So we have a relatively, oh no, it's a good size. The chairs are bunched together, but it's a good size. Assume I gotta turn this. Nope. Nope. Does it not actually like latch? Or is that closed? Nope. Give me several minutes here, folks. That feels like unlocked to me. That's got to be unlocked. This is the problem. Nope. Am I missing something here? I don't think I am. That's locked. That's got to be locked. It snaps in. Then it's loose, right? Is this door just really stuck? Let's try. I feel like it's open. Someone at home's yelling like, you idiot, you're doing it wrong. Maybe like that? No. This might be broken. One moment, everyone. Okay, so I figured out it was not me. This is just, yeah, see, like it's not completely functional. It actually like kind of, when you do it, the whole thing like popped out. So that, not the best door. But we figured it out finally. Kind of had to almost break it, but I unlocked it. So yeah, we have a good sized patio. Plenty of room. 2 chairs and a little table. And we happen to have a great view here in Congress Park of Disney Springs of that Beatrix construction site. Actually, we come out this way. We have the balloon. Come out here. We have the balloon, and it's a nice green area, the park. It's very pretty. It's very relaxing out here. I like this area. Last time I said the chairs weren't thematic. I didn't really look at them. That's Saratoga Springs Resort, SSR, and the horses at the top, because I need to learn to look not just through the phone, but actually with my own eyes when filming these, so I actually know what I'm talking about. And we have our canopy. Very pleasant. I would sit out here for quite a bit. Now let's see if we can lock our door again. Yeah, see, now it's much easier, but you can see when I do it, it like comes off the wall. Yeah. So all in all, it's probably still an improvement. I didn't care for the old rooms very much, but I will say it's not my favorite deluxe studio on property. The 2-bedroom is just really nice, and it feels more thematic. But you may not be in the market for a 2-bedroom. I understand that. So thus far, I think my feelings on Saratoga Springs, if you want a 2-bedroom, it's a great one. If you want a deluxe studio, it fits the need. It's nice enough. There's a lot of other deluxe studios I might prefer, but this one's pretty spacious though. These are a good size compared to some of the other ones. This room feels a little bigger than a couple of the other ones I've stayed at in the last week or so, but yeah, just like the bathroom's kind of plain. It's all kind of plain out here. That's the current trend, but sometimes they do it right. I think the 2-bedroom, they did it right. And it could be simply fixed. I think a more thematic mirror here, and maybe like one more piece of art related to the hotel somewhere else in this room would have done it. But yeah, this is the Deluxe Studio, Saratoga Springs.